Hello, welcome to Horizon Sky Academy. Horizon Group has an experience of more than 1000 plus projects in last 2 decades in various sectors. We offer various training programs about project design and management. This will help you in skill development for creating mega projects through various platforms. Our programs are useful for engineers, architects, consultants, project managers, operation and maintenance engineers, pharmacists, developers, and industrialists. Horizon Sky Book publication prepares books, drawings, Excel data, standards, as well as reports. This will help you for in-depth understanding of the program. You can download it from Amazon, Kindle, or hobbycart.com. If you are subject expert or product machine manufacturers and interested in becoming our educational partner, then Horizon Sky Academy heartily welcomes you. Subject experts can publish ebooks or video lectures. Vendors and product machine manufacturers can share their product videos or publish advertisement in our books or videos. Hello. In this program, we will learn about setting up a project for LVP IV fluid pharmaceutical industry. We will go through common parameters and specific samples of 4 manufacturing line project of 2.4 lakh bottles per day factory unit with construction of approximate 10,000 square meter in 20,000 square meter plot area of total project cost around 100 crore INR. We will go through various lectures for this subject. You can download books related to the program PD01 Volume 1 and Volume 2 from Amazon Kindle and also a link given in the description. We will learn about various topics shown here. In this slide, as we can see, there are multiple number of areas in medium to large size pharmaceutical industries which could be categorized as shown in the table. There are mainly 2 major buildings, plant building and utility block. Plant buildings have production areas, then stores, QC labs, etc. Utility block have all the equipment to generate utilities like steam, power, water, compressed air, etc. Other ancillary buildings such as R&D center, admin, canteen, etc. are part of medium-sized industries. In large pharmaceutical campus of 50 to 200 acre, there are number of production units for various medicines and centralized utilities and power plants with wide infrastructure and road networks. In this slide, we can see the master plan of the sample project having various areas which are approximately shown here. As you can see, here we can see the plant building, utility building, parking, ETP, loading unloading area, admin, entry, security cabin, etc. at the ground floor. At the first floor, we have a part of the FG area, canteen, and part of admin as well as technical area. Plot size is approximately 17,000 square meters. The ground coverage is approximately 8,500 square meters. That is 50% of the plot area which is within the permissible range as per the zonal provisions. The main plant building is 2-story with 7,600 square meters. Total construction area is 13,000 square meters which is within permissible FSI. In this slide we can see the front view of the sample project. This is a 3D view of the factory from the front side. The admin building is with a glass facade and a rooftop cafe. We can see the utility building with the chimney on the right side. Plant building is behind the main admin building. We can see the weighbridge and main gate entries. Front side boundary wall is kept with translucent design for view of beautiful elevation from the road. Now in this slide, we can see the aerial 3D view of the project for the factory having a technical area, canteen, and part of FG at the first floor. Technical areas is in 2 parts. First accommodates the AHUs and the second accommodates chillers and cooling towers. Now in this slide, we can see the approximate cost for the project for 4 FFS IV fluid lines. The engineering cost, that is the cost of civil, electrical, mechanical, air conditioning and firefighting related project, cost of this project is approximately around 55 crores. Process equipment, plant and machinery, QC lab, etc. cost is approximately 60 crores. In this slide, we can see the payback calculations for the entire project. If the payback period of the total project cost in pharmaceutical industry is within 7 years, then it is considered as a feasible project by the banks. We can see that the total project cost is 115 crores. Total expense with working capital and bank interest per annum comes to be 53 crores. Total revenue from the sales is around 77 crores per annum. The gross profit of the per annum is around 24 crores. So the payback period of the project is 5 years. The table is for the illustration. Exact figures may vary depending upon the various factors. Industrialist or his team shares project cost and payback calculations with CA to prepare CMA data and project report for bank loan purpose. Now in this slide, we can see the flowcharts representing the process flow diagram for IV fluids as well as for packing line. The plastic granules and glucose raw material goes to production area. Water from the DRO water treatment system passes through multi-column distillation plant and becomes water for injection WFI. Raw material like dextrose, NaCl and other API materials from RM store are taken to the mixing vessel to mix with WFI. In filling machines with FFS, that is foam fill seal technology, this solution is filled in a plastic bottle and found within the same machine. The IV fluid are sterilized with steam in sterilizer and then is taken to the packing line. And finally, the box are stored in the FG area. In this slide, we can see the various process equipments which are used. Now, in this list of process equipments and machines which are used in the plant area in the project, you can go through the detailed list from our Horizon Sky books, PD01 Pharma Industry Design LVP IV section, Volume 1S Introduction, Budget, Plan and Process, and also PD01 Pharma Industry Design LVP IV, Volume 2 Architecture, Civil and MEP Services Planning. The link to this book will be available below in our description. Now this slide also depicts the engineering equipments and it is a list for all the equipments which are used in the project. As you can see, here are mentioned some of the equipments. For further detail, you can go into the books. Thank you for referring our architecture, civil and MEP planning. Visit our further lecture series.